Hey number ninjas, today we are going to break down 9604 using the prime factorization division method. So that don't let the big number scare you. We will crack it step by step. So let's dive in. So it's an even number. So we will divide it by the smallest prime number, that is 2. So when we divide it by 2, we get 4802. Now again it's an even number, so we will divide it by 2. So this gives us 2401. Now the next prime number is 3. When we'll do the add the digits, we get 7. That is not multiple of 3. So we will move to the next prime number, that is 5. It's not ending with 0 or 5. So we will skip it. Now next prime number is 7. So 2401 divided by 7 gives 343. Again, it's divisible by 7, gives 49. Now we know that 49 is the square of 7. So this gives us 7, and 7 divided by 7 is 1. So yes, 2401 is 7 times 7 times 7 times 7, or 7 power 4. So isn't it cool that how big number are made up of teeny primes? So want me to factor your favorite number? Drop it in the comments below. Like, share and subscribe for more awesome math videos.